Hi everyone. In this tutorial we will make a basketball. Add a cube. Add X to subdivision modifier and apply it. Toggle X-ray mode. Select 4 central polygons. Then invert and hide it. We need to make 4 supportive vertices. Ctrl+R to make loop cuts. Alt+H to reveal hidden. Make cuts like that using knife. Press C to cut through. Dissolve these supportive edges. Add X to subdivision modifier and apply it. Make the mesh spherical. Select these loops and press mark seam. Select all and unwrap the model. Select those loops again. Bevel edges 3 segments. Select these polygon loops. Extrude it to inside, press E and then S to extrude it by scaling inside. Add X3 subdivision modifier. Add displace modifier and press new. Set displacement strength to width 0.001 or 0.002. Go to Texture Properties tab and open height map of this dot pattern like a real ball has, link in the description. At the Mapping tab set Repeat X, Y11. Go back to Modifier Properties and change Coordinates Local to UV. Change dimensions of the ball like a real one has. In my case it has 24 cm. Apply scale. Now correct the mesh so that the dot pattern is only on the places we need. Select the loops. Increase the selection. Invert the selection. Go to Object Data Properties. Create a new vertex group and assign the selection. Point the vertex group at Displace modifier. Increase subdivision level to 5. So in this tutorial we made this cool high poly basketball. Now you can bake it to a low poly model and use in your projects. I show you how to make it in a new tutorial. Thanks for watching.